Hey guys, Breaking the Flaw always goes live and he's always recording police just about every day. He's got about 13,000 subscribers. I want to see if we can get him up to at least 15,000 with this highlighted video. This man clearly dislikes his rights being violated and makes it a point that victimless crimes are just a way for police to generate revenue. Check out this video and go subscribe to Breaking the Flaw and let him know I sent you. I'll see you guys in his comment section.
How's it going? Why so many police? I don't answer questions. I can ask questions. I can ask questions, but I don't have to answer. Technically, you work for me. Good yourself?
Good. Are you with them?
I don't answer questions.
You don't answer questions? All right, then you can move along, please.
Actually, I can be in public.
Are you sure?
I'm 100% positive.
On the sidewalk?
I'm not loitering.
You are?
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
At this point, you are, okay?
I'm not loitering.
I'm going to kindly ask you to keep it moving.
You can't, because this is public. You can't tell me that.
Okay.
I have the right to film. I'm actually acting as press right now, so you can't tell the press to leave. It's my First Amendment right. You want to challenge this in the court because we can do that.
So would you do us a favor to get up like the immediate area, like 10 feet this way?
Am I impeding him?
I'm asking you nicely, sir. This immediate area.
Well, I'm going to refuse.
Based on the circumstances.
I refuse.
So at this point, do you have any identification that says you're part of the media?
I don't have to answer any questions.
You don't? All right, so you keep the case moving along, okay?
Acting as press.
No?
Yes.
Acting as press.
Well, it is my right as,
So acting, you
according to the First Amendment, it says freedom of press. No, I don't have to show you anything. No. Oh, I know it very well.
Acting as.
I know it very well.
I'm actually showing that proof, okay?
I know it very well.
I can come up to you and act like a police officer, okay? But actually showing credentials is totally different.
Well, you know that we have freedom of speech in this country, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Okay, end of story.
Absolutely.
End of story.
Absolutely, it doesn't cover that, nobody, okay? At this point, you're obstructing the sidewalk where people need to be...
Actually, you are too, because you're standing
I'm
there.
actually doing a car stop.
No, you're talking to me right now, because you're not stopping any car. You're talking to me right
I'm
now.
doing a car stop.
No, you're talking to me right now. No.
Actually, part of this car stop, I don't know who you are.
I don't know who you are. What's your name, Beth? I got you 33, 36, 34. What's your name, please?
Like I said, as of right now,
No, I need to know your name. According to the law, you're supposed to provide your name and badge number. Please.
Go study it some more.
No, you can go to the station and get our information.
That'd be very easy to do.
There you go.
Okay.
Go to the station. Okay?
Are you part of this now?
No, he's not.
I don't answer questions.
Okay, so that's fine. You can record all you want.
Thank you.
Keep asking. Keep moving it back, please. I don't know who you are.
I'm not intruding. I'm not interfering. No. Your safety. You're the one that has a gun right now, and you're gonna tell me for my safety or your safety? Don't tell me that right now. Don't tell me that. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. Don't tell me it's for safety, because that's a threat in my opinion. That's definitely a threat. For your safety and my safety? No. I'm not aggressive. I'm not aggressive.
Oh, absolutely. I've asked you to leave a couple times. You're aggressive.
I'm not aggressive. I'm standing here.
I'm kindly asking you to leave.
I'm the press. I don't have to
You're
leave.
not identifying yourself.
You're asking me.
You're not.
I'm not getting a lawful order, and if you did give me a lawful order, this will go to court. I don't have to give you anything.
All right, so how do I know who you are?
You don't have to know who I am. I'm not interfering.
You're not. Clearly you're not.
No, and you're not in the traffic stop right now. You're talking to me, so don't tell me. No, you're not. No, you're not, though. You're not. No, you're not. No. Good look. Good try. Let me ask you, did you call backup because I'm recording? No.
Hey, I don't answer questions.
Actually, you're a public servant. You're supposed to answer questions. It does work like that. Do you have nothing better to do?
I'm working.
Clearly, this is just a traffic stop.
I'm getting paid to do this, okay?
Is there something really bad going on right now?
None of your business.
So you have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 cop cars, guns. You guys got guns and tasers and all these different things, and you're gonna tell me to leave? No, I'm not over my head. No, I'm not. I'm not have to move. You're not gonna intrude on me. You're not gonna walk through my path.
That's fine. Through your path. This is city property, buddy.
You cannot do that. You cannot. Do not touch me. Do not touch me. I would be filing a complaint against you, Rodriguez 33. Do not put your hand in my face. Don't put your hand in your face. I can walk this way if I want to. I can walk this way if I want to, and I will. I will walk this way. I will walk backwards and still record you too. I'm not gonna stop. I'm gonna keep recording. I have the right to be here as anybody else.
Immediate area, sir.
Is that a lawful order?
It is, sir.
It's a lawful order?
It is.
It's a false lawful order, and I will be seeing
Okay.
you 36 in court.
Okay, sir.
Do you understand the First Amendment? Do you understand the First Amendment? Do you swore an oath to the Constitution? Did you to get your office?
Yes.
You're violating your oath of office right now. Oath of, no, I don't have to go. I don't have to go anywhere. I can keep walking back and forth. I'm recording this.
No one cares. You're anybody.
Listen, it's not gonna help you out at all, alright? Okay?
You're recording too?
No one cares that you're.
Are you recording
I
too?
could be if I want to. I'm free to record as much as you are. So
I asked you if you were.
Doesn't matter. I don't have to answer any of your questions that you said, okay?
Yeah. You don't have to answer anything to my questions, but you're trying to violate my rights right
I'm
now.
not violating your rights. This is city property, pal, okay? When it's your property, it's a different story. Please, okay?
Actually, it is my property.
No, it's not.
I pay for these
No,
streets.
no.
I pay for your salary.
You know,
I pay for you to be here right now and harass me.
I pay for
Apparently.
I pay for my own salary too, okay?
No. I pay for your salary.
Okay, I'm sure you do.
Yeah, you're a public servant.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, no, it's not a dispute. It's not a dispute. Yeah. You need to learn you guys need to learn your jobs a little bit better.
More of an issue
Learn
with
your
having
jobs.
something
Learn
there.
your jobs.
Buddy, go do something better. You have nothing better.
You could do something better. I'm sure there's plenty of criminals out there that have done violent crimes, but yet you're pulling someone over because he maybe has out-of-state plates or something. Come on. It's a little ridiculous.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. It has nothing to do with
I am worried about him because I pay your salary and you're just harassing somebody right now and you're harassing me. So I'm even more concerned.
Keep moving.
Keep it going. You keep going. Go ahead, keep going. Make it worse.
There's a difference. I'm getting paid for this. I don't know about you. Okay?
I don't have to get paid for this. I'm doing a duty for the citizens of America when you guys do this. Yep. You know it. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. There's 3 of you here and there's 2 there. Now there's 4 here. It's unbelievable.
We get to be wherever we want.
Also, this guy's out of his mind. Isn't he?
No, I'm not. Bye. What's your name and badge number, please? No, name and badge number, please.
If you can read it,
Where is
you
it?
can have it.
Where is it?
Exactly.
No, actually, you have to tell me according to the law.
Go to the police station.
No, what's your name and badge number? One of you can identify him for me.
No, sir.
You think that's bullshit? You think it's okay for you to use that word right now? You're supposed to be professional? I don't have to tell you anything. I don't tell you anything. I'm gonna walk over here.
Good. Have a good day.
I'm gonna record the stop like I came here to do. Yo, they're all buddy up here now, right? You're welcome, guys. Have a good day, guys. 36, 34, 33, and what's the other guy? What's his name right there? And his number? He won't reveal it.
Go to the station
I don't
like he
remember.
told you to.
I'm not responsible.
You know his name.
Go to the station like he told you to, alright?
All right.
And bring that recording, go show it for whoever you want.
Oh, I will.
It's all good.
It's going right online. You're welcome.
Homeboy asked me, I explained to the homeboy, I explained to him. I said, Joe, what's your issue? And I explained it to him. I said, Joe, he's pro-rights.
That's right.
As I said in front of you, he's pro-rights.
Yep.
He knows what he
And
can
if that's
do.
a crime,
He knows what he
then
can't do. He knows as long
we
as
lost
he
our
doesn't
country.
interfere with you guys' duty, he can be here doing whatever he wants. That's why he's there. That's why he didn't go away. You know what I'm saying? That's why all they do when you approach him, say, just don't touch me. As long as you don't put your hands on him for without, And you guys,
I
you
don't
went
know what I don't stop anybody else from doing it either.
That's what I said, you guys
Mind
just
my
went
own
with-
business. I keep it moving. That's what I do.
Yeah, but you don't have the right to do that because these are my streets. I don't have to. No,
You're totally
it
irrelevant.
doesn't. No, you're irrelevant to me. How you like that? Yeah, man. Good luck. Check us out. Check out that car.
Just don't get yourself in.
No, I know what to do. Yeah, because they work for me. I'm out of here. You guys can leave. I'm out of here.
You gotta stay here until midnight, bro.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, it's not nice. It's called work.
Oh, that's great. That's cool. I'm gonna go this way, actually. Excuse
I
me.
can't imagine having this much free time on my hands.
Oh, I work full time. I do. Yeah, but you guys work for us, and apparently you don't do anything really
Have
important.
a good day, sir.
Protect and serve.
I'll see you around later.
Well, you really didn't. Because 3 were talking to me and 2 were at that car, so you guys did not do anything. Yeah, and you only let him free because I was here and I helped him. Thank you very much, guys.
Catch us at the next stop.
Maybe. Small town.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you go over to Breaking the Flaw and let them know you're there to support. Let them know San Joaquin sent you. I will see you guys in this comment section. Have a wonderful day.